Just hush. We're here in McHenry Village in our town. It's a big village, all the shopping centers, and we're having a card show for Graffiti Night. 1925 Ford. Look at this thing with the horns on the front.
Big guys. Oh, I see how it is.
That is badass.
Original owner. I can't not love that, man. The original owner is right. You should ask me why you got rid of the car, man.
Modesto GMC. Jimmy, what year?
Jimmy, what year?
Shush, Chris. I can't hear.
72 Chevy GMC,
Sure.
sponsored by Joel's Custom Cabinets.
Over there.
Thank you for coming.
Chevy.
Damn.
1939 Chevy. That is beautiful. Look at that.
This is a 55 Chevy. This is John Palazzano. It's sponsored by Honey Air and Solar.
Little Chevy over here.
Thanks for coming.
Look at the blue interior. It's all gorgeous. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Impala. Look at the trunk on this Impala. That's a cool car, that Impala.
I like the SS, man.
I do too. I like the silver one. The silver one's my favorite. That's Raiders colors.
Anything that could make that better.
If it had Raiders right on the top. It says U.S. Marines. It can't get any better.
Gold, baby. That would
No. It says U.S. Marines. It's not going to get any better. Look at this old panel. Look at this truck.
Look at that. Now there is adorable.
Hey, what'd you get? 60.
I'm going up and around. Hang on.
Look at the inside.
I know, I did. Look at that paneling. All redone, original.
Polished wood, man. Don't water it in traffic again, okay?
You were the one wandering into traffic. Look at this old Plymouth. 1964. I love that Plymouth right there, the blue one.
I'm running a picket for you, dear.
I know. I don't run into anything.
Oh.
Roadrunner.
I'm a huge fan of the color.
I am. I love this color.
It is.
I love this. Look at this.
That's
Sweet.
just Edelbrock. It's not.
Look at this. That bad boy is chromed out. Edelbrock.
That was sweet.
That is sweet.
It is sweet. Yeah.
1960 Chevy. Impala. Camaro. A breather on that thing. 1967 Camaro.
Huh. God, I didn't even know you.
Going this way. That's a Morris Minor, babe. Sarah and Jim had one of, my niece and nephew had one of these in their backyard, in their back pasture for 15 years. And somebody come and pulled it out and redid it, all of it.
Yeah.
And I love all Morris Minors. They're the neatest ones. Thank you guys for bringing this.
I gotta keep her from wanting to have traffic.
This is an old Morris Minor, guys, 1958. Now this is worth seeing. All paneled out.
This is the dangerous part when we play Frogger.
That is so nice. Santa Cruz. Modesto has some really cool stuff.
You're welcome.
George Lucas did his filming
30.
for Modesto Graffiti here, and that's why we have Modesto Graffiti every year. Every year.
Transmissions.
Usually in August.
I want to see this one.
Me too.
Can bring it back next year, Panda.
Modesto
It was
Misfits.
stolen.
1935 Chevy. Look at that. Love that color.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at the engine on that bad boy. That's when the distributor cap was huge.
Lodi, sponsored by
Beautiful,
Steve
man.
Cunha.
You got it.
Just gotta drive them.
Right?
I love this one. It's got a face on the side. Look at that. Look at the face on
I
the
love the
side.
paint job.
Me too.
I want to see what this sucker has under her hood, though. I bet she's just cherry to the core.
1971
Oh, okay. Yep,
Chevy.
definitely.
Look at that. That's
You
chromed
even
out.
turn the engine
This is Joe
over.
Costa,
Yeah, 'cause you know baby's gonna rumble.
1941 Studebaker.
I love it.
My grandpa had one just like this, babe. Just exactly like this, Fairlane. Grandpa Tony had one just like this, a Ford Fairlane. The same color, too. Had itchy seats when I was a child. I hated the seats. Victoria, you know what? This almost... It is exactly the same friggin' car. Exact same car. I always thought that the bumper in the front was boobs.
Nice.
I know, huh? I was little then. Oh, here's one of the old time VW buses. This is a worth a see. Classic car. They got the surfboard on top.
Pick up, what is it, about
Got the old
69?
Coca-Cola cooling
This
machine.
is sponsored by
Old VW suitcases.
Auto Paint.
Very cool. Look at the rims. Old ladder on the side.
This is Jack and Mary Wilson.